Do you get flipped normals when importing your objects to Unreal Engine like me? Well, as you can see here, this is how it's supposed to look, but it looks like this. That's because Blender doesn't notice that your normals are flipped when you scale your objects by -1, as you can see here. To revert this issue, you'd want to just apply your scale, and then Blender notices that your normals are actually flipped. So you go into edit mode, select everything and Shift N to flip your normals back, and now you can export your model again over here. Now when I import this model, it will take a bit to load because it's very high poly. Here we go, now it's finally loaded. Now you can see that they are okay here. You're going to have to do this for every one of these objects. Now this can be quite annoying, as you might be working with linked objects. So let's undo this, or 1 second. Check a moment. Okay, so the best thing to do, just hide this, select all of these and Shift D, duplicate them a second, and move all the duplicates to a new collection called linked copy. Those selected, you hide them all, and now you have to one by one make each object separate by applying the scale. If I select more at the same time, it's not going to work, as you can see. And it's quite annoying, but this is the way how it goes. You can also press Shift R. Well, when you apply the scale, you press Shift R on the next one to just repeat your last command. Now that you have flipped your normals everywhere where they have to be flipped, you can just select everything, go into edit mode, and again select everything, Shift N to flip your normals to the right side. I'm having problems right here with these props, so I'm going to select them all, Shift N, press inside, and now this should be good for exporting. Unfortunately, this option saying apply transform doesn't work yet, as it's still in early access with negative numbers. So I'm going to export this and load it back into Unreal Engine. And there you have it. Now all the normals are fixed and you can have a nice prop in your scene. You still got the linked copy in case you want to repack your maps or do something with the texturing. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.